What's up, everybody? This is Reverend Guns, and today we're going to be cleaning the magazine to a Beretta 92FS. So the first thing we want to do is make sure everything is clear and safe to work on. So right here, behind the trigger, is a button. It's the magazine release. When you press it, it causes the magazine to pop out. Second, you'll see the lock lever right here. When you pull the slide back, you push the lock lever up and it will lock the slide into place. Now you can look down and see in the barrel there is nothing there. Let's go ahead and uncock that and set this aside. We do not need this. So, some tools you're going to need. I use a fresh clean soft bristle brush. You don't want the one you've been using to clean your gun with. You don't want any cleaners, solvents, oils. You don't want anything on here when you do this. I use rubbing alcohol. It evaporates real well. It'll clean what you need to get all the dirt and grime and whatever else you may have on here, and evaporate so it doesn't attract more dust and dirt. You need something to poke with. I'm going to use an Allen that I've got sitting here. And then you want a fresh, clean rag. You don't want, again, nothing with oils, solvents, anything else on it so it doesn't smear it all over the magazine. So to get started, you're going to look at the bottom of the magazine. And you're going to see it's basically a button. You've got to poke something in there, press it down, and what you're doing is you're pressing the base of the spring down so you can slide the base plate off. Now, don't just pop off the base plate because it will sling the spring at you. So do it just a little bit and then cover it with your thumb so you can hold it while you take the base plate off. So we've got the base plate. Now we're going to take out the spring. Alright, there's the mag. You've got the feeding ramp. And on the bottom here is a little loop that you can just unhook the base of the spring there. Alright, so these are the pieces we will be cleaning today. Now these get dirty really easily doing mag change and everything else. They get dropped in the ground, kicked around, stepped on, whatever. So these need attention as well. So I'm just going to go through and clean each piece one by one. I'm not going to spray them all at the same time because this evaporates and pretty much is pointless to do. But take this time to go through and then clean it off. You'll want to spray it, scrub it if you have to, and wipe it off. Pretty basic. Base plate of the spring. You never know what might get in there, so clean off what you can. Okay, the spring, I mean, you can go at it with a brush if you want. I just typically just put it in a rag and kind of spiral down with it and wipe it off. Huh, got caught. Okay, the feeding ramp. This can get carbon and dirt and whatever else on there, so you want to, spend some extra attention on this to make sure everything off of it gets brushed off. right. That's done. Last piece. You want to make sure you get up here on the smaller end real well. A lot of carbon buildup can be here. And if you got to use the detailer end, do so. But you want to make sure you get a good little scrub on everything. And then we'll wipe it down. Make sure nothing's left on there. We'll even feed the rag through just to get a good wipe down on the inside. There we go. You don't put any oils or anything on this. Like I said, oil attracts dirt and dust and whatever else, so we don't want it to attach to this. So let's go ahead and start putting this back together. So you'll notice one end of the spring has kind of a bent spring here. The other end does not. You see the difference? So the one with the bent spring is the one the feeding ramp goes on. So it just sits on there. There's nothing special about it. With the hook to my right here, it should load to your right. Okay, and then the base plate has got a little hook there to catch the bottom of the spring, and you put that in like that, and it just sits there like this. So now we'll take the mag, and the big end slides over, and you just press everything down till it's in. And you grab the plate, the base plate here, and it's got two little rails on the side that slide on the rails on the side of the bottom, and that's what attaches. And you'll hear it snap back into place, and the button will look like it's shot up and back in its normal position. So that is everything we do to clean a magazine for a Beretta 92FS. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. We'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. I also offer the online course to get your Texas license to carry a handgun. It's the 4-hour class broken down into segments and saves your progress so you can do it at your own pace. After completing the course, you can print your certificate. Then it'll help you locate an instructor close to you, no matter where you are in Texas, so you can complete the shooting portion of the course. This is all certified by the Texas Department of Public Safety. Check it out at reverendguns.com. If you have any questions or comments, please add them below. Be sure to like and subscribe for more firearms education.